How to double space in Google Docs. A Simple Guide 2025. Double spacing is a common formatting requirement for academic papers, essays, and many professional documents. Google Docs makes it easy to apply this formatting to your entire document or specific sections. Here's a quick guide on how to do it. Method 1. Double space the entire document. This is the most common scenario, especially when starting a new document or applying a universal formatting style. 1. Open your Google Docs document. 2. Click on Format in the top menu bar. 3. Hover over Line and Paragraph Spacing. 4. From the sub-menu, select Double. Your entire document will instantly be double spaced. Method 2. Double space a specific section or paragraphs. If you only need to double space a particular part of your document, follow these steps. 1. Highlight the text you wish to double space. You can drag your cursor over the paragraphs or use keyboard shortcuts, e.g., Shift plus arrow keys, to select the desired text. 2. With the text highlighted, click on Format in the top menu bar. 3. Hover over Line and Paragraph Spacing. 4. From the sub-menu, select Double. Only the highlighted text will be double spaced. Method 3. Using the toolbar shortcut. For a quicker way to access line spacing options without going through the main menu. 1. Select the text you want to format, or don't select anything if you want to apply to the whole document. 2. Look for the line spacing icon in the toolbar. It usually looks like several horizontal lines with a double-headed arrow pointing up and down. 3. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. 4. Select Double. Undoing double spacing or choosing other options. If you need to revert to single spacing or choose a different spacing option, like 1.5 lines or custom spacing, simply follow the same steps above and select the desired alternative. The Line and Paragraph Spacing menu also offers options to add or remove space before, after paragraphs, which can be useful for fine-tuning your document's appearance. Double spacing helps improve readability and provides ample room for comments and edits, making it an essential skill for anyone working with documents in Google Docs.